Good day, everybody. This is Nick, and today I am doing a video on unboxing my new keyboard. It's the Azio Retro Classic Vintage Typewriter Bluetooth/USB backlit mechanical keyboard. And I got the Elwood finish, of course. So I basically got this new keyboard because I wanted to add a trendy accessory to my recently remodeled office. So, let's go ahead and dive in and check it out. So it comes in this like nice box, but this has a separate cover on it. Let's check the back. Here's are all the benefits of buying this keyboard. Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see here. Ooh. Okay. Comes in this nice box. And the reveal. So here's the Elwood finish. The reason why I picked that finish is because it matches my wood floors. Let's see here. This thing comes with a nice user guide. Got the setup. Oh, look, it comes with a cleaning cloth. Nice. All right. I think what's great about this keyboard, it can be PC or Mac compatible, which is fantastic. All right. Nice cover. All right. Wow, look at that. Wow, that's nice. I like this. Look at the finish on it. The gunmetal, so nostalgic. That typewriter like feel and look. Oh yeah, the top. Oh wait, look. Right here. It has Bluetooth, USB off, Mac PC, and then the C connection, to USB to your PC or laptop. And the stands here are adjustable. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. That one. Oh, cool. Huh. Let's see what else it comes. So it has, oh, okay, the cable. There we go. And this is the, I guess, spare buttons. If it pops off, come in this little pack there. Let's power this up. Shall we? Alright, let me just plug this into my laptop. And I'm gonna find that connector there. Plug it in. And voila. Oh, guess what? Gotta hit that PC button and USB, and boom, bada bing. Woo! Wow. That is so awesome. My goodness. Mind blower. Wow. This is great. I'm so happy. Has that Wow. Look at it, all lit up. Nice. Wow. It's gorgeous. So there you have it, folks. This is the my new keyboard. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. And thanks again for joining me. Take care.